Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to assemble and install this Ikea Ringsta Lamp Shade. I'm gonna be installing it in place of this lampshade that is completely broken. So let's first open it. And this here is the lampshade. You will get two metal rings. I'm gonna show you how to install them. So let me remove them first. So you notice also that this lampshade, it has a washer here. For my case, I don't need this washer because it is too small. This is if you have like a small diameter lamp, and I'm gonna remove it. I don't need this washer. This is good for my lamp. I'm gonna show you how to install it, of course, later. Here on the lampshade, first start by installing this metal ring. So this metal ring here, this is the one that goes into the lamp, and notice that it is raised. So the raised portion of the metal ring should be like this, and this should be on the bottom of the lampshade. And to install it, notice that you have these plastic clips, and you have the same plastic clips on the bottom. Make sure that the opening of the plastic clips is to the top, and then you need to put this in it like this. So simply put it like this, and it goes, and it should click in place. So make sure it clicks in place. So now the ring is installed on the bottom. So now we need to install the upper ring. And you notice that the plastic also here, they have an opening. So it should go into the openings. So do it slowly. So now it is assembled. And now I'm gonna install it on the lamp. So this here is my broken lampshade. As you see, it is completely broken. Before starting, disconnect the lamp from the electricity and then remove the light bulb. And then once you remove the light bulb, you have here a ring. You need to remove it. So this is the ring, and this now is a lampshade. It can be removed. And as I told you before, I removed the plastic washer because it is small, it cannot go here. So this is the lampshade. It simply now goes like this here. And now you need to re-put the ring. So simply turn it like this clockwise. And make sure it's tight. So now it is installed. And now I'm gonna re-put the light bulb. So now the lampshade is assembled, as you notice. I'm gonna turn it on. And you see that it is really very good. If you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It will really mean a lot, and it will help the channel grow. I wanna thank you all for watching, and see you in the next video.